talk about how you can source for cheap products on Alibaba. So for those that are just watching me for the first time, my name is Olaleye Ifolowa. I make videos on how to make money and how to grow your business online. And if you have seen my video for the first time, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. All right, let's get started. So the last video I made on AliExpress is how you can order from AliExpress, because the dollar card has been declined. You can't use the normal debit card, rather. You can't use it anymore. So I made a video on how you can order from AliExpress using your dollar card, cheaper virtual card. So make sure you watch the video before you watch this video, because if you are, after you source for goods here, you'll not be able to transport this good, you'll not be able to buy it because your card is not going to work. All right. So that being said, and also if you want to register for cheaper cash and PalmPay, I drop the link on the comment section, or better still, go to the description section of this video for those that are watching on YouTube. Go and check those links and get a discount for signing up with those links. So when you get to AliExpress, what you need to do is you are going to look for cheap products. So how do you look for cheap products? This is it. The product that you see on AliExpress, they can be like 5, but they are going to be having different prices from different manufacturers. You understand? So just like the way Jumia works as well. So what you need to do is you look for this new user gifts, where they put gifts, their cheaper product there. Then also we have what we call 3 picks. They are going to pick 3 products, and they will be very, very cheap product, but they are going to be 3. It must be 3 before you can order them. It has to be 3. It has to complete 3 before you can order those products, and they are always cheap. Let me show you what I meant. So you can see this is where the three for us, this is where it is. So you order 3 products and it will be delivered to you, and they are very, very cheap products. The product you are going to see at the same price, different price, the same product, but yeah, it will be lesser price but still the same product, but just that you must order 3 items before you can order them, but before you can pick them. So let me show you some of the products there so you can see how cheap they are. So this is, I go to this place and I go to other places as well. Then we also have what we call drop shipping center, AliExpress drop shipping center. That's where you find items that are raining, or items that are selling very, very fast. I've already picked 6. So let me show you what I picked, so you see some of the price of what I picked. So you can see AirPod $3, another AirPod. Then we have this wristwatch, and this other wristwatch as well. Then we have this other one as well. Okay, so let me just check out. Let me check out and see how it's. Let me make my payment. So comparing the two prices, you can see this one down below here. This one is just 2,400 naira without shipping. Free shipping is there. Free shipping compared to 6,000 naira. So these are the things you need to know before you launch yourself on all these sites. These are the things you need to know. And also, let us go to the weekly draws. We have what we call weekly draws and all that. You can see first come 50% off. Let's see, first come 50% off. These are just like the way they are using to draw people, and the price of these products are very cheap. If you go to the main store to buy, it's going to be expensive. So these prices are very cheap. So let's see how much that same keyboard that you saw. Come see the price here again. You can see this one is selling at 7,000 naira. So you have to take your time on the app. So you have to navigate and check for cheap products, or you waste your money on the site. So from my pick, let me go to my pick. You can see this same keyboard, noni. This same keyboard, you can see the prices. They said this one is selling at 1,000 naira. It's not 1,000 naira. Oh. They are still going to add shipping fee to it, and the shipping fee can be like, you can see shipping fee is what, 4,000 naira. All right, so let me just check out. And so before I can check out, this is the amount of goods below. You can just check below. You can see the amount, $23.94. And on my cheaper cash, I'm not having up to cheaper cash. I'm just having 23.8. So I need to add fund to my account. So let's do that. Let's add fund from my account. So you can't use other bank, but the bank I will advise you use is PalmPay. So if you want to register for PalmPay, you can't see the account. You can't see the account name on OPay. It has an account name, but you can't find it on OPay. So it's only PalmPay that I know that has it for now. So let's go to PalmPay and transfer money. So to copy your bank name and account number, you come to cheaper cash. You click on that icon. That's your profile. You click on the icon which is called profile over here, up there. Then you are going to see your account number and your account bank name rather. So you copy your account number. Then that's how you transfer that. So this is it, just the normal way you transfer money now. So I'll transfer 2,000. So I'll be transferring 1,000 naira. So let's see. So it will take 2 minutes before it drops on my cheaper cash. So let's check it cheaper. So it hasn't dropped, but it's going to drop. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also like the video for more updates. And if you have any question or any particular video you want me to make, you can leave your recommendation below. So it's still going to drop, but just wait for it to drop. You can see the money just dropped just now. It's not more than 2 minutes. Then I just received a notification as well that the money just dropped. So I want to fund my dollar card now. So you go to card below, downward below, the last one, the below. Then you go to your Naira. You know, we have two cards. We have Naira card and dollar card. So I'm using the dollar card. The dollar card is just 2,000 naira, one time payment, 2,000 naira. While the Naira card is just 1,000 naira. In case you don't know about that. So you click on top up. So you click on top up so I can top up my account. So I'm going to meet up. So let me top up 1,000 naira. So if I top up 1,000 naira, that will add the money to it. So let's see how much I'm having currently. Let's see how much. So I'm having $24.96. So now I can now check out. Let's go to Aliexpress to check out. All right, so don't be afraid. It's going to work. So this is live. I'm not hiding anything. I'm doing it live. So you click on checkout. After you pick the 3 items that you want to pick. Me, I pick six. I pick six rather. So this is the amount I'm paying. You can see. Then you click on pay now. So once you click on pay now, you just wait for it to load. So you can see immediately my card has been charged immediately. Immediately is that it has been charged. The reason being that I've already had my card before. So I don't need to enter any OTP. Though for the first time you are going to enter an OTP, UBA will send you an OTP where you put the OTP. But because I've used this card before, that is why I'm not charged anything. So let's see how many days. Check my orders. Go to check my orders. It will take longer period, like 30 days, before your order gets to this place. So these are the order I've placed. So you can still track your order. So, but this function is not available on this site. So I have to download the app. So you can track your order where your item is. So when it gets here, I'll make a video on how you can sell your product, how to sell, where to sell your product, and how, understand, because that's the most important thing. You can't just start ordering and you don't know how to sell it. You must have ready customer that wants to buy your product. All right. So when the order comes, I also make the video on when how it arrived, where I went to get it. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also like my video. Then see you on the next one, guys.